Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing the October cloth and paper subscription box. So I kind of already know from pictures online and on their website what was included in this box, but I always get it a little bit later than everyone in the US because I am not in the US. So I usually get it around when the products in the next months are already known on the website. But I don't mind that. I still am always super excited to get them. So okay, so I do get my inserts unpunched because I like to use the inserts in different ways. Like I do have my own puncher for disc bound, but also for 6 rings, so my inserts are always A5 size. But yeah, so let's start with the information card, and this one is, and it says there Doche, and this basically just tells us what is inside, what we can expect. So let's go. They also, this doubles as a journaling card. So first off, we have the Doche journaling card set, and it's a set of 3. So this first one, let me just adjust the fits. Yes, the flash was on. This just says collect the pieces that feel through. I absolutely love this. And then we've got this one, and it says giving takes energy. It's important to recognize where your energy flows and when it needs to be recharged. Protecting your space isn't selfish, it's essential. What boundary can you honor for yourself this week? And it's different texture from the first one. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing that, but I don't think so. But it has like a linen feel onto it. And then the last one is just a kind of like a card or a sticky note. It looks like, and it says member record, CNP for cloth and paper, and then a safe space to document what matters most. I think this one is my favorite for sure. And then we've got the December calendar card. And we've got this stickers. It's cloud stickers, and the texture is velvet. It's a set of 3, which has 45 stickers in it in total, 45 dots. This is really nice. They are doing a lot more with different textures on their stickers and their post-it sticky notes, and I am all for it, to be honest. But this is really cool. Like, you can use this as like one whole thing where each of the cloud is a task, and then you can check it off. Just gonna put it back in its plastic. Okay, and then we have the first dashboard. It's a mindfulness dashboard, and then on the bottom left it says clarity is a process, not a moment. And I think you can use this all different kind of ways, right? Like what we see a lot, like a habit tracker, yearly habit tracker, or some people may even use it as their fertility tracker, period tracker, mood tracker, any kind of things that will be like nice to use on this. And what I've seen people do is kind of like laminate this as well, and then use it over and over again with an erasable marker. That would be cool to do on this. So yeah, it's a full year, and I'm guessing this is for each day of the month. There's a lot of things that you can do with this. And from my experience, actually, Cloth and Paper usually, their theme for the subscription box in October is mindfulness, so this kind of like really correlates with it, and it has the same kind of like color vibes that they had last year, which is like light blue, sky blue. It's really nice. And then we've got the inserts here. It's the daily intention inserts. Let's have a look. This is like a example. So on top you have intention, your priorities, and then roadblocks, and then the action plan, and space for some notes. That's one side, and then it's all double-sided, the same. So that will be really cool. And the thing is with this, now that I'm gonna be using the Hobonichi Cousin A5 for like my daily planner or my everyday planner, I can actually still glue this inserts in on there. So yeah, I can, like, it's not a waste. And then we've got the dossier dashboard, a space for everything, even your thoughts. And again, this has like a velvety texture on this board. And then this, I've already seen so many pictures and videos about this notebook, and it looked absolutely amazing. It's a break room notebook, and it's just dotted notes. So let's open it up. Break room. Oh, yes, this is also velvet. Outside it says break room, and then on this velvet thing, I'm not sure if you can read what it says, but it basically says, this is your space to return to without rules, to meet yourself just as you are, to sit beside the parts of you that feels unseen, not to fix but to notice. Session 00, the patterns, the pause, the quiet pull of what you need. A moment to breathe and to listen back, to turn towards what's true, to remember that there's nothing to prove. I love the feel of this. And it has the same color of the stickers as well. And then it has the front page, just this notebook belongs to. And then it's all dotted pages. And it's double-sided as well. And on the top, there's a space for dates and whatever topic you can put in here, and you can also, they also have like a thing that you can cross off whether it's a session, an agenda, idea note, or different. And on the bottom it just has their cloth and paper. And the back side also is that has that velvety texture to it, and I am in love with this. I am absolutely in love with this. This looks amazing, and it has, let me see if I can find out how many pages. Okay, it doesn't specify how many pages it has, but I'm almost certain you can find it on the website. And then we've got this pouch. I actually missed the pouches this year because last year, almost in every box, if I'm not mistaken, they had they included the pouches or the bags, and I've been using them for different purposes, so I kind of missed them this year. So this bag, it says carried well, and it's big enough to kind of like fit your, this doesn't fit in there, but let me see. Let's see if their 2025 spiral planner fits in. And that fits in perfectly. And still some room for extras, so that's great. Okay, so the only reason why this didn't fit in is because of the spiral on the top. So that's really nice, and this has that jeans feel to it. And then we've got clip stands. It's just a metal clip stand. Okay, and then we've got the two pens, and the first one is the Pilot G2 Mini. Let's just see. It's super small, but it's handy for to bring with you on the go, I suppose. I'd say this will go really well with the traveler's notebook. Like, let's see. Yeah, like you can literally have this like this, and it's then like the perfect size for it, which is super cute. And then we've got this highlighter. From Half Sugar. And it has a green color. And that's it for the 2025 October cloth and paper subscription bags. We've got how many this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got about 8 to 9 products, which is definitely worth your money, and I absolutely recommend getting the subscription box from Cloth and Paper because it is, as you can see, it's all high value, and it's like you can see it's premium products as well, and I love their papers, and you just get so much variety in the box that you can use all in different ways. So yeah, thank you so much for unboxing the October subscription box with me today here.